Evaluate, this is very important problem. Evaluate integral 0 to pi by 2 e power sin x upon e power sin x plus e power cos x dx. Solution, let us consider I is equal to, let us assume I is equal to the given question, that is integral 0 to pi by 2 e power sin x whole upon e power sin x plus e power cos x dx. It is equation number 1. Now in definite integral we have one property, that is integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of, in integrand f of upper limit a minus, here x is as it is, into dx. Put the box to particular property. So this is important property. If we compare these two, here lower limit is 0, here also lower limit 0, so 0 is equal to 0. Upper limit is a, here upper limit is pi by 2, so a is equal to pi by 2. The next, here f of x, this is the f of x, so f of x is equal to e power sin x whole upon e power sin x plus e power cos x. Substitute these values in this property, that is equal to, before that this equation number 1 left hand side value is I, so I is equal to, the limits are 0, here 0 to a, here 0 value is 0 and a value is pi by 2, and f of x, instead of f of x, here we have a minus x, so here a is equal to pi by 2. So first of all, this is f of x value. In x place we need to write a minus x, so first of all write e power sin, here we have x, in x place write a minus x, a value is pi by 2 minus x is as it is x whole upon the denominator also e power sin x, but x place a minus x, a value is pi by 2 minus x plus e power cos of, again here we have x place substitute a minus x, a value is pi by 2 minus x into dx. We know that sine of pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta. At the same time, cos of pi by 2 minus theta is sin theta. So here also sine of pi by 2 minus x, in the formula we have theta, so it is cos theta. Here sine of pi by 2 minus x, here is x, so we just write that is equal to I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 e power sine of pi by 2 minus x, here sine pi by 2 minus theta changes to cos theta. Instead of theta we need to write x value, so just compare x, theta is equal to x, e power, this is sine of pi by 2 minus x is cos theta, but theta is equal to x, so it is cos x whole upon, here also e power sine of pi by 2 minus x, pi by 2 minus x is cos theta, so it is cos x plus the next e power cos of pi by 2 minus x, cos of pi by 2 minus theta is sin theta, so it is sin x dx. Consider this equation number 2. See what is equation number 2. Equation number 2 is equal to I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 e power cos x upon e power cos x plus e power sin x. This is equation number 2. Now adding equation 1 and equation 2. First of all, let's write equation 1. Equation 1 is I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 e power sin x whole upon e power sin x plus e power cos x dx. Next, equation number 2, 2 equal to I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 2. E power cos x upon e power cos x plus e power sin x dx. Now add these two, that is equal to, first of all add left hand side values, that is left hand side value is first one I, second one also I, that is equal to I plus I is equal to, now add right hand side values, integral 0 to pi by 2 e power sin x upon e power sin x plus e power cos x dx plus integral 0 to pi by 2 e power cos x upon e power cos x plus e power sin x dx. Now observe here, I plus I, that is equal to 2I, which is equal to, observe the RHS side value. RHS side value, common value is integral 0 to pi by 2, it is also integral 0 to pi by 2. So taking 0 to pi by 2 common, in the remaining value e power sin x by e power sin x plus e power cos x plus second one value e power cos x upon e power cos x plus e power sin x into dx. So we know that 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. If we observe the RHS side value, denominator e power sin x plus e power cos x, here also e power cos x plus e power sin x. See, 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So just write before that LHS value is 2 into I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. Denominator is e power sin x plus e power cos x, because both are same. Now add the numerators. First numerator is e power sin x plus second numerator e power cos x whole into dx. Observe here, numerator denominators both are gets cancelled. So 2 into I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2, it is 1 dx. Integral of 1 dx is x plus c, but this is definite integrals. So 2I is equal to, this is x, the limits are 0 to pi by 2. Now substitute upper limit in x place, after that lower limit in x place. So 2I is equal to upper limit in x place, that is pi by 2, minus lower limit in x place 0. Pi by 2 minus 0 is pi by 2. Therefore 2I is equal to pi by 2. We need to find only I value. So this is 2 is multiplication. If we transfer here, that is equal to I is equal to pi by 2 into 2, 4. But what is I value from equation number 1? That given value, given data. Therefore I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 e power sin x upon e power sin x plus e power cos x dx is equal to pi by 4 is the answer.